Here's how to clean white shoes. If you're unsure how to clean white sneakers, this video is for you. This method also works for white trainers. Since I started using this mixture, I no longer buy expensive shoe cleaners from the store. You'll be amazed by how well it works. You can make this cleaner with ingredients you already have at home. With just a few items, you'll get great results. First, get a bowl. Start by pouring half a cup of dish soap into it. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive, removing dirt, stains, and lightly whitening the shoes. Measure half a cup of vinegar and pour it into the mixture. Vinegar softens the water, making the detergents more effective. The mixture will start to fizz, which is normal. Stir everything thoroughly. Finally, add 500 milliliters of water and mix it all again. Your new shoe cleaning solution is ready. Cleaning with this mixture is simple. Dip a soft shoe cleaning brush into the solution and gently scrub your white shoes. This homemade mixture works best if you leave it on the shoes for a while. Wipe off the excess with a cloth and scrub the shoes again, especially the soles. You'll easily remove all stains and dirt. Your white sneakers will look like new.